Friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and in this video we're going to be doing some cleaning and organization of my baking cupboard. So let's open the cupboard and get started. It's yucky, it's messy, but with these trying times that's happening, it's the best time. You're staying home to just do some start doing some spring cleaning. Okay, so if you bear with me, we can clean this pantry out together. This is what my pantry looks like. This is the baking pantry where I keep all the baking supplies and stuff. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 levels, and we're going to clean one level at a time and try and do somewhat of an organization. Okay. Alright, so let's get started. I'm just going to grab some soap, some water, and a cloth, and then we can start on the first shelf. I got myself some soapy water, some Dawn soap, dish soap is in this water, and I'm going to start to clean. So on the top shelf I have my mixing bowls and measuring spoons. I'm just going to wipe out this cupboard, make it nice and clean. And I'll do this. I'm going to try and do a little bit of organization as I go along and see how far that comes. How far that goes, okay? So these are where I keep the measuring spoons and the mixing bowls. So let's arrange these a little bit nicer. Okay. Alright, so let's empty the second shelf. I have some brown sugar and icing. I don't know why we keep these empty things. Like, who does this? I don't know what that is. This is where I keep my sprinkles, food coloring, and muffin container, and some cinnamon. Okay, so let's do the second shelf. This thing is coming out. We can't go outside, so it's just better to just make use of the time while you're home and do some early spring cleaning. Make things nice and clean. I think today's what, the 21st. I think today's actually the first day of spring. So I'm right on time for spring cleaning. Okay, so I got my measuring cups. Love my measuring cups. I'm going to take down, I'm just at the shelf below where I have my baking powder and some random jello. And this can was from the dollar store, and all I do is keep small cookie cutters in this can. So I'm just going to wipe out that shelf, and then we're going to put the stuff back. Alright, let's try and put these stuff back. That's the thing with these things, you know, they haven't been washed in a long time, so I'm just going to clean it out and then put them back, okay? So give me some time. I'm just going to clean these and then we'll come back. Okay, my friends, I've washed out the containers and wiped down what I needed to wipe down. This is cookie cutters that's in here. It's a nice decorative can from the dollar store, and this is what I do. I just put small cookie cutters in here. And I've had this can for many years, so nice and cool. And I'm gonna put back my bins of sparkles, muffin trays, and some food coloring. I keep them in here. These bins are wonderful. I got these bins from the dollar store. They close so nicely. Right, I've washed out the containers. See, nice, smooth. And I think these ones are also stackable. And in this container I have cinnamon. Okay, and I have some baking soda on this shelf. Actually, I'm gonna move it. Yeah, okay. Let's keep them there. And I'm gonna get my brown sugar. I'm gonna put the brown sugar here. Oh. Let's get this frosting on this shelf as well. I'm gonna wipe this down, make it nice and clean, and then we will. Oh. Okay, who does this? It's empty, guys. Come on now. And I think these are recyclable, so I'm going to put it in the recycling bin. So this shelf is basically done. I'm actually going to pull the baking powder in front and put that at the back. Okay, so this shelf was already clean. I'm going to put in my measuring cups onto the shelf. And I have some brown sugar. I think I'm going to put my brown sugar in here. I must find a container for my brown sugar. I'm going to also put it on this shelf as well. Okay, so this looks somewhat clean and tidy. Okay, so let's move on down. I am moving along to the 4th shelf now, guys. And let's get that. Oop. I'm going to take everything out from the shelf. Oh, man. Let's clean that shelf and then we can put stuff back. This is the thing when you're organizing, because things are all over the place. I found some more frosting that needs to go onto the shelf. So I have to leave it there for a second, and then I'm going to leave it here for a second, and then I'm going to rearrange it when I'm done. Okay, so let's continue onto this shelf. So I have some baking, some cornstarch actually, and this cornstarch is from Costco, and this big container was only $5, and we use it to make shortbread cookies at times. Okay, so don't forget to wipe this down. Okay, this is my container full of iceland sugar, and really maybe one of my goals this week is to label all of these containers and label the shelf, put everything in containers, and do a little bit of more organization in this cupboard. But my goal today is just to clean out this baking cupboard. Okay, some pancake mix. I'm going to actually move these pancake mix and put them into the other cupboard instead of leaving them here. So I have some honey made crumbs. This is when you're going to make cheesecake. And then I have these gelatins. So I'm just going to wipe these down and then put them back in there. And some jello. Maybe today we'll make some simple jello. And yeah, for dessert or something. Okay, so I'm just going to put these back on this shelf. So these we don't really use often. So I'm going to push them way at the back as far as possible. And yeah, because we don't really use them often. So now my friends, if you have any additional tips for organizing this pantry, just let me know. This is, as I said, my baking pantry. If you have any additional tips, just let me know. Okay, just leave a comment below and I'll, you know, love to read the comments. Okay, so let's go down to the last shelf. And the last shelf we'll do a little bit more cleaning. It has a lot of stuff, so I have to keep wetting my cloth. And let's do it. I'm going to move this back a little bit so I can have some room. That area is being a little bit tough, so I have to maybe take out the big guns. I'm going to add some of my Dawn soap onto a sponge and maybe scrub down there. Alright, so let's just put these back. I'm going to wipe down the flour. And I like to put the flour down here. I'm just going to dry this out a little bit. So here's my flour, some sugar. Oh, I think I'm going to move the sugar from over on the other side and put them down here as well. And I don't even know what this is. See? Why labeling is important. This must be one of my daughters. I don't know. And I don't know why they have spirulina down here. But I wonder if they didn't even know that it's there. And that is basically it. Okay, my friends, this is it. I'm done with the baking cupboard. It's a little bit more organized now than it was before. Don't forget, not everyone that wanders is lost, and always strive for something.